So, let's start with how to declare a variable in Java. Okay, we should know a little bit of how this works. If not, no problem, we will remember. So, let's say we want to compute the area of a nice rectangle. Okay, so I'm gonna draw my rectangle here. Let's pretend that's perfect. And here. How do I get the area? Most of you will tell me, okay, the area of a rectangle, it's the base times its height or length, as you wish. Okay, so if we program it, we will probably just do like the following as follows. We will do like A equals B times. Remember the star is like times and H. Okay, that's a thing we all could do. Thing is, what happens if we return like, I don't know, 3 days later and we don't remember at all? What does that mean? We would be past that, isn't it? So this is not intuitive. So I'm gonna draw a sad face over here. Okay, we need it to be that to be like better and intuitive, so like everyone knows what does that mean. Okay, so the best way to do that would be like area equals base times height. Okay, that's far much intuitive. So the lesson from here is that variables should be intuitive. Okay, you should know everything that this thing involves. Okay, so we were talking in the last video that whenever you declare a variable, you could have it like nicely done, just like writing int width, or just like writing it empty, int area. This is cool. This is okay to do. Okay, if you don't know which the initial value would be, but if you know the initial value, you can declare it that way. Okay, you can assign directly a value to a variable. Remember, it has a type and a name. Now, if you know that the area for sure it's going to be exactly the same way all the time, or the variable, you just can assign this thing. Okay, you can just like do a little operation here. You know, additions, subtractions, divisions, all of those are valid. Okay, what is wrong? The sign is very important. The thing is wrong. Here we're missing the data type. Okay, okay, so sad face here. The second one, here, we're assigning some data type that does not correspond with the one I'm declaring here. Okay, so if I'm right here, the semicolon should be gone. Okay, we should write it like, I don't know, I'm gonna do this, and it should be like a 5. Okay, if you want to use the semicolons, remember it should be a string. Strings are for representing characters or like a line, text line. Okay, or you just declare it empty. Okay, if they're gonna be the same type, you can do it. Let me use another color. I guess I can use black. Yeah. So if you're gonna write int width and next to it you're gonna write int. Whoa. Oh, that's funny. Well, I don't explain what's happening there. So int height into 0 red lines. You just can resume that and do it in just one nice line, and you're gonna be like happy people, and you will be saving space just by writing width, comma, height. Okay, so this is valid. This is okay to do. Let me draw a very nice face to it.